If you want a nice dinner or a lunch out and you have dogs like I do, one of the best places to take them in London is Battersea Power Station, because all of the shops and all of the restaurants are dog friendly. We have just been to Dishoom and Battersea Power Station, and I have to say the food is absolutely spectacular. They are amazing with dogs. And then we went for some shopping. We went inside Battersea Power Station, and honestly, it's just such a great place to go to if you've got dogs. I live near Battersea Park. We go to the park, but when we get bored and I want to socialise the dogs, I literally go to the power station, because you can go inside, you can go outside. I went into Boots and bought some mascara, as you can see, and we had some lovely food. So honestly, if you've got dogs, you want to socialise them, you want to go to a nice restaurant, have a nice cocktail, go to Battersea Power Station. Where are you going?
I'll explain it to you.
Gaia, come here. Where are you going?
I'll explain it to you.
Gaia, come here.